Hey gardening friends, I just thought I'd give you a little update. I just picked all of these strawberries from my front strawberry bed here. So it's June 4th and I thought I would just give you a little strawberry update. Been getting a lot lately. So here's my other little patch. It's not a lot, right? This is, you know, probably 5 or 6 plants I put in here. But I wanted you to know that it took a while for me to get full-size strawberries. So for about 2 years, I was getting little ones like little like this. And now I moved a few of them over to this spot just to kind of make room in my other spot. And these seem to be doing really well over here. So if you just got strawberries and you're like, why are my strawberries small? Just give it some time. And soon you'll be getting full-size strawberries. And this is amazing because my daughter eats so many strawberries. So yeah, these are delicious. I'm about to eat this one. It's really hot. It's gonna be in the 90s today. So I usually try to pick in the morning, but it's already noon. But you try to pick as often as you can, because if you don't, something else is gonna get them. This looks like it was a slug. I just stick it under the cardboard for the worms. Another thing to know is you really have to look around. You really have to kind of paw through your strawberries. I've also been seeing some birds in here. So my number one advice is, you know, just pick them often. And you're gonna have a lot. So yeah, that's the strawberry update. Start with a plant, don't start with a seed, just get a plant. They have June bearing and they have ever bearing. I bought both kinds, so I really don't know what these are because they're all mixed up. But it seems like it's June, so it seems like these are definitely June bearing. But they did, oh, something got that one. Yep. They did have another cycle of fruit, so this is like their second put off of fruit. So yeah, so just come out and pick every day. If you need to, you can put out beer traps for the slugs. I'll link my little video about how I do my little beer traps. And yeah, don't be discouraged, be patient, and yeah, grow yourself some delicious strawberries because we know how expensive they are in the store. Sometimes I pick them a little bit not super red in case I miss it. They're still super sweet and delicious. There's another one. See, it's a little bit white, but that'll be okay. Alright, oh, something got that one, but see, I will just cut that little part out and put that in a smoothie. So once you've gone around once, go around again because they're hiding. Alright, well thanks for picking strawberries with me, and I hope you feel encouraged to grow yourself some. And also, I'm going to link the video of what I do with the strawberries in the wintertime. I cover mine up, so make sure to check out those videos too. Alright guys, happy growing. Bye.